It's gonna make my like my skin softer and stuff.
Yeah, it's gonna hydrate your skin. Is that on right?
Yeah, that's good. Is there a reason why mine is like clear and then yours is like the pink color?
Yeah, that one is just a different type of mask. This is actually more expensive than the one I'm wearing. This one is like probably the top one you can get. Does it feel uncomfortable or?
No, I've just never seen like a clear like mask like this. I'm just gonna get rid of my acne and my pimples and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see how it's like transparent? It's
Are you sure?
it's actually so you can see what's going on, like how it's pulling all like the pores out. It's high tech stuff. Like,
Is yours like lavender flavor? Mine's like, well, I look like I have a plastic bag on my face.
you have to leave it on for 30 minutes. Make sure you leave it on, okay?
Okay.
It's not gonna fall off, right? It feels good on your face.
Yeah, it's good. It's not even on my skin.
No, it is on your skin, babe. It's magnetic. It's gonna
Okay.
like the parts where it's like gaps. It's magnetic, so it's gonna absorb. You know, it's gonna take it out of your face,
Okay.
like the pores and blackheads.